Good day, everybody, wherever you are. I'm Ivy Fung. Today, I would like to share with you women voices in blockchain space. I am currently the Vice President of Women in Blockchain Asia. It is an association that just formed in May this year, so we are barely 6 months old. Now, the missions of this association is to give women more recognitions in the blockchain space by empowering, educate, and enable them. Now, even if this association is called Women in Blockchain Asia, but the membership is not only limited for women and it's not only limited for Asian or people in the Asia. We just advocate to give more voices to the women in Asia in this space. So what have we done so far? To let the women know and feel that they are enough to voice out, to show their talent in this blockchain space, we need to lead by example and give them the skills that they need. The first thing we do is partner with Algorand, AlgoHub, and Reach to bring smart contract programming to the university in Malaysia. As of now, there are 7 universities that are working with WIBA, which is Women in Blockchain Asia, to bring smart contract programming to their students. After a month long of learning, this will lead to an inter-varsity hackathon, which will happening soon in 1 or 2 weeks' time. Now, we are not only partnering with one protocol, we are in discussions with other protocols as well to bring the same to the university. And not only to these 7 universities only, there will be more universities joining, and not only to university in Malaysia, but also other universities within the region. Though we are not limiting only women in our memberships, nor we are limiting only female to be able to participate in this smart contract programming learning, we do insist to have at least 1 female student in the hackathon team. And I'm happy to say that out of 160 students that sign up for this batch of the training and the hackathon, 50% of them are females. We are looking forward to have more female leaders and builders in this space. And if you resonate with our cause and would like to support us and help us out, do connect with us. Thank you for listening to my sharing, and I'm looking forward to see you. I'm Ivy Fung, the Vice President of Women in Blockchain Asia.